Hi guys! Hi guys! For today's video, we will make lumpia but dim sum. Looks like a dim sum like this. Because we can find any lumpia wrapper, that's why we bought mono wrapper. So you need to put the meat in the mono wrapper. So you need to put the meat in the mono wrapper, and then you do this. This and this. This and this. And then you pinch them like this. Should I remove my glove? I should remove my glove. So wait, I'll try again. So like this, guys. I made one. And then put the meat. Do this. No time for joke. You need to wrap the dim sum or lumpia. Oh, like this, but so small. Really? I wash my hand. And then boom, like that. Another lumpia. Wait. So guys, I'm back. And then my sister's gonna bake. Like this, guys. You like pinch them and then you make like a dim sum. You do this, and then do this, and then this, and then you pinch them so you can make a dim sum. You need to pinch them, all of them, kahit dito, para hindi magkalas sila. So cool dim sum. This, guys, you do this, and you stick them like this. It will become like this, and then you do that, do this, and then you pinch all of the sides, so it will not open or look up. So you need to put the meat in the four of the mono wrapper, and then one by one, and not 4 by 4. One by one, you need to do this like that again and again. You repeat them. 1, 2. You pinch all of the sides and then stick them together. Wow, so smooth like butter. In case of many, we need to put it like this, or you can just remove it. Okay, taga.
Saka mo yung open ngayon.
Mag-joke pa. Ito lang akong joke. Kasi ito lang joke. Ano ang manok na lalaki? Ano ang chicken na lalaki?
Sagot ako or tatanong ko ano?
Anong chicken na lalaki?
Rooster.
Oh. Manok.
Ano ba yan?
More.
More, okay, wait.
Ano ba yan? Ano tawag sa babaeng hipon?
Shrimp. Ano ang lalaking isda?
ang tawag sa pinakamatandang isda?
Catfish, goldfish.
Hindi.
Ano?
Century tuna.
Natanong mo na yun eh, hindi ko nang alala.
Ano kasi naalala?
You can put a little bit of meat like this. Like this meat. And then you put that on the smaller wrapper. So squishy. Ang squishy. Guys, if you do this on the bottom, don't do it because it might pop. And then explode. And then you can't make it anymore.
Sure to.
Because it popped. I'll design it. Ida-design. So, you put the meat in the molar wrapper. And then you try to wrap them up like this. I'll explain again. This. Until it looks like this. And then you put it. Something in my eye. Nakikita pa kami. Sa sobrang tagal si Kayla ay nakatulog. Dapat lagyan mo muna lahat ng meat bago mo i-wrap para hindi tumagal. O parang ganito, ilagay mo lahat. Tapos lagyan.
We have strong sense of
Kahit utot.
Bakit?
Yummy! Yummy! Dumpling maker lang eh, ang mahal.
marriage event.
Look at my dumpling! And then look at the... Wait. So soft. So soft, guys. You need to put like a little bit. Tapos eat. Guys, it looks like this when you wrap them up and then pinch them like this.
Parang yung ano,
It looks like the
Haba na.
this. It's so long. So guys, that we are already done. It's time to cook them in the boiling water. But you need to put a strainer on the boiling water. And then you put the dumpling na lumpia in the steamer or the steamer. Anyways, so it's time to cook them. So guys, eto na, niluluto na natin dumpling. Guys, so this is the result. And when you cook it, it's like this. And then let's eat it. Let me sausaw first. Yummy, right? So yummy.
anong sauce mo?
You should try it now, guys.
This is toyo and
This is
calamansi.
toyo and calamansi. The dipping sauce.
Dipping sauce. Yummy.
Look, ate. Guys, this is what it looks like when it's on the top. Let me eat it.
Medyo may pagka-spicy.
Or just of fries. So yummy, guys. That's all for today, guys. Bye.